how to buy or sell NASDAQ 100 stock index in 2016 like a pro, part 2. How to buy or sell NASDAQ 100 stock index in 2016 like a pro, part 2. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-magdi.com. The title of the video is how to buy or sell NASDAQ 100 stock index in 2016 like a pro, part 2. Recently, I have recorded the first part of this video, and I was sharing with traders the key support and resistance level that the professional traders, investors, swing traders, position traders are watching. These are essential key levels that will excite, so to speak, market participants to buy or sell, the NASDAQ 100 stock index. All right. On that day, I gave traders some few key levels. Hold on, please. I'll give you. I want to refresh your memory, but if you want, I will put the link of the first part of that video in the description section, so you may check it out. All right. So the first key level that the professional, hedge funds, a big financial institution, all right, are watching is 4739. Next key level 3787. 3787. Third key support and resistance level 4261. Next key level 3592. The next 2689, 2689. And if the last key support and resistance level is 3173. So 4739, 3787, 4261, 3592, 2689, 3173. These are the price zone, the trading zone where the professionals are likely to enter the market. It's important for us as ordinary traders to know where the professional, where the hedge funds, where the bank are likely to buy and hold or sell and hold. So this will allow us, so to speak, to navigate through the forex markets and profit from the NASDAQ 100 stock index. All right, we don't want to trade blindly, buy and sell anywhere, anyhow, but we want to buy at the right time, at the right place. Most importantly, the right place, bringing us to key support and resistance level. So these are horizontal key support and resistance level. We also have trend line that are support and resistance level. So a trend line here, you can see, we draw the line last time. In the first part, you see the channel here, the blue channel, and then we project the blue channel down, and so on and so on. You remember? Watch the first part. So this is for a rising channel. This level here is a support level. The price came out of the channel. As I explained to you, there's a high channel. You may try to go up a bit to retest the media line if it's going to be bearish. All right. Try to extend this line here. Okay. So watch the first part so you understand what I'm talking about here. Okay. Or continue to go up. Okay. Today, I want to give traders another two key levels. This is about, the short-term equilibrium price level and the long-term equilibrium price level. The short-term equilibrium price level that I will give to traders today will remain in place for the next 2 weeks or so. For a day trader or swing trader, it's very, very important to know, the short-term equilibrium price level. It's almost equal to the short-term fair value of the NASDAQ 100 stock index, all right? So you can see here, I'm on the weekly chart now. Last week, the price went below the short-term equilibrium price level, which is the orange line here, horizontal line, and now it went back above it. So the intersection point between horizontal line and the trend line is what? It's a hot spot trading zone. You know that, isn't it? The horizontal line and the trend line, this is a hot spot trading zone. So, all right, so what are we looking for? Priority to bearish signal below the equilibrium price level, and priority to bullish signal above. Okay? All right? This is what we are talking about. So the short-term equilibrium price level for the Dow Jones, for the NASDAQ 100. My favorite index is Dow Jones. That's why I keep saying Dow Jones, but we are talking here about the NASDAQ 100 stock index. So the short-term equilibrium price level for the NASDAQ 100 stock index is 4123. So add it to the previous list of key support and resistance level, 4123. This level is useful for us for the next 2 weeks or so. All right here. That's the orange line here. Okay, very, very important. Okay. The next key level that traders must not forget throughout 2016 is the long-term equilibrium price level. That level will remain in place for the whole year. Will remain in place throughout 2016. We want to know that level, and we want to know exactly what is likely to take place on near this key level. The long-term investors, the hedge funds, the bank, the big institution pay attention to the long-term equilibrium price level. I will not say more about the long-term equilibrium price level, but in August 2016, I will be giving traders the next, long-term equilibrium price level. Okay, at least we can have 2 long-term equilibrium price level in 1 year. So here it is. All right, the long-term equilibrium price level for the NASDAQ 100 stock index is 4263. 4263. So apart from the previous key support level that we have already mentioned, okay, 4739, 4739, 3787, 4261, 3592, 2689, 3173. We have now the short-term equilibrium price level at 4123 and the long-term equilibrium price level at 4263. We want to know, and we want to be aware of it, and we want to be ready for it. Investors are paying attention to the long-term equilibrium price level. They, as swing traders, are paying attention to the short-term equilibrium price level. By the way, I want to say something very fast. If you are a TSTW trader and you have a losing trade, or you apply the TST trading tool and you face a challenge trading, it's good for you to send in the chart and to ask a specific question, and in due course we will get back to you. Okay, that's the best way, because traders have my email and they can contact me if they want to ask me a question, which I think is the best thing to do. All right, so I just want to mention that. Okay, so why do we need to know? Why do we care about the key level? Trader may say, "Oh, this is too simple." So in the first part of the video, we were talking about okay, we went to the yearly chart. Okay, we draw a channel. You can see the line, and we mentioned the key level. So the horizontal support and resistance level are key level. We don't want to ignore also the trend line and the projection of the channel. Okay, we are looking for high probability trading setup on near those key levels. So we can see, if you look here, you look at this candle here. This is the year 2000. So price went up all the way here in the zone of 4739, which is a key level that we mentioned earlier. And that's where the market sold it. So some people sold it here. So there was a trading setup here. There was an interest to sell the NASDAQ 100 index, the NASDAQ 100 stock index, in this zone of 4739. All right. So now we are again in the same zone. So the dominant force in this zone 4739, these are sellers until we go above, until the price finds support above the level of 4739. So we have here a scenario, so that's why you can see the first reaction this year, this is the candle of 2016, is to sell because of what has happened here. That's what we are talking about, the key level where professionals are making decisions. But in the old days, market participants will just go and sell. Everybody will just go and sell. But the market is now very, very sophisticated and it's changing constantly. In fact, there are traders or market participants that will do the opposite. So when they see a sell signal, they will buy instead. These are contrarian traders. So there is also a hedging activity in the market. So that's why we recommend to traders that finding a trading setup is not sufficient. One must now validate the trading setup. But it's not the end. The bottom line, we want to implement a top-down trading method. This allows us to control the risk and to manage the trade. For new traders, it may take some time before one can master multiple time frame trading method or a top-down trading method. This is critical. Otherwise, one may go round. So we are looking for a trading setup on here. Okay, those are key support and resistance level. we validate the trading setup, and then we implement a multiple time frame trading method. All right? So yearly chart, monthly chart, daily chart. One example of a top-down trading method from the yearly chart, monthly chart, okay, daily chart. All right? This is for position traders. All right? Position traders can enter the trade, looking for trading setup on the yearly chart, and then go to the monthly chart, look for the signal, and then we'll enter the trade on the daily chart. For entering the trade, it takes more experience, all right? You want to pinpoint the best time to enter the trade. So what I've been saying to traders that are trading stocks, all right, the best time to take a position trade for the whole year is in February, around mid-February. That's why we are recording this video today, giving traders the first long-term equilibrium price level that the professionals are watching. Mid-February, position traders are coming into the market. So January, they are waiting for the month of January. All right, so position traders are watching the month of January. So day traders, swing traders are trading. They are watching what is happening. So after January, around mid-February, hedge fund, big banks, big financial institutions, long-term investor will take position around mid-February. So there are time and season that we enter the market. So, by the way, some of my colleagues are getting angry with me because of what I'm revealing here on YouTube. But don't get angry with me. These are not confidential material. I don't share confidential material on YouTube. That's the golden rule. I never violate that rule. If it's confidential, I don't share it. If it's private, I don't share it. But if it's my own information, I share it. All right? So don't get upset with me because I'm giving too much to traders. So I know some of my colleagues are getting upset with me for sharing some information. But what am I trying? What's my ultimate goal? A healthy market. Ordinary trader be able to trade like a professional. Ordinary trader be able to adopt the mindset of professional trader. That's my goal on YouTube, all right? So the key levels allow us to navigate through the market, all right? So we want to know where are the key levels, not any key level, but the high impact, support, and resistance level. Now we are watching. We are looking for high probability trading setup on or near those key levels. We validate the trade setup. We have implemented a top-down trading method. So we know now that the best time for an investor, a position trader, to enter the market, the financial market, is mid-February. For a swing trader, preferably on Tuesday. For a day trader, market must open and one must wait the first 30 minutes. All right? If you are a new trader, you come into the market and you buy a trading system, it takes time, the experience. Take your time. Don't throw money at it. Read my story at stockatimadi.com. My story. Click on it. You will see it. Okay? So this is just few blah, blah, blah from my side to encourage traders and to guide traders in the right path so they don't get into trouble. All right? So for today, we are talking about a short-term equilibrium price level, 4123. This level will remain in place for the next 2 weeks. The long-term equilibrium price level will remain in place throughout 2016, 4263. In August 2016, I will give the next long-term equilibrium price level. For an investor and a position trader, one must pay attention to the long-term equilibrium price level. Do not ignore the first 6 key level that we have talked about, okay? 4739, 3787, 4261, 3592, 2689, 3173. Also, the market pattern, if the price is going up, it will be in a rising channel. Now we are in a rising channel. We are sitting here on the edge of it. We will find a support at the intersection point between the short-term equilibrium price level and this blue trend line here. Use a top-down trading method, and if the signal fell, come out. Be very defensive, and don't enter the trade anyhow. Be very, very selective. What do I mean by that? Concentrate on trading setup that have worked for you before. So one day, one particular day, you have taken a trade and you feel like God. So you trade like God, all right? You trade from the morning to the evening. So go back to those trades and see which trading setup has produced, okay, maximum gains. Why it was successful? Was it very simple, which I can tell you now, one of them is this: price break below a key level, retest it and turn around, break below, okay, retest and turn around. Most momentum oscillator will be overbought at this point in time, and we use a top-down trading method, and everything went beautifully with not too much stop loss. The price went down the whole day. Or sometimes, my friend, price we break below the key levels, okay, and then we push back up to the 75% Fibonacci retracement level of the prior move before coming back down below the key support level, all right, or break a ball, retest it around. So review the profitable trade and review also the losing trade. What we have noticed, traders usually get very emotional. That's why I do not trade for traders, and this video is for educational purposes only. So, because money is involved, and I understand that money is involved, and I know how it's like, the feeling of losing money. I know it. So, don't throw money at it. Use a demo account, okay? So, what usually takes place, trader will have a losing trade, and trader get emotional, which is reasonable. So, you can go away, you can kick the computer, you can keep the table, that's okay. Go away, come back, but don't get too emotional. All right? Don't get too emotional. Review the trade. What went wrong? Okay? Have I missed any important economy news? All right? All right? Is it auction expiration day? What have I missed? Is it the earnings season? Why things are not working anymore? What's going on? Is it the end of the year? Is it the beginning of the year? What's going on? Review the trade and find out the cause or the root of the losses. Same thing. When we have a good trade, so now you go back again, maybe you take the trade very fast, you say, why this trade was so beautiful? Try to figure out if you can build a system that around that trade. Check it out next time when the same setup appears. Maybe it was a winning trade today, and next time was a losing trade. So then you have a scenario. So why you worked last time, why it didn't work this time? Okay? So with that review, or by reviewing your trade, doing that kind of exercises, you will be able to improve your trading skill, your trading knowledge, all right? We have also posted at www.dayprotrader.com the 7 biggest trading mistakes. Check it out so you may start improving. If trading is not for you, all right, you lose money, get out of the market and do something else. Very simple. Very simple, all right? One way or another, you are good at something else. Life is not all about trading. There are other things man can do in this life. Very simple. Okay? Or, in that case, you may invest in another way, okay, in the world. Okay? So talking about how to buy or sell NASDAQ 100 index in 2016, like a poll, we are looking for high probability trading setup on or near key levels. We validate the trading setup and we implement a top-down trading method. We choose the best time to enter the market. If the signal fails, we are out. We use a stop loss, all right? Or if you are trading option, know that while you are risking the premium and you control the risk. If it's too much for you, it's your money, pack your bag and go away or come back another day. For today, the level that we are talking about is 4123, the short-term equilibrium price level for day and swing traders, and for an investor and position trader, 4263. Last message for our competitors, do not get upset with us. We want other traders to adopt the mindset of professional traders. We do not share confidential material. We do not share private information. We are sharing the things that traders must know. So we may have, okay, 90% of market participants knowing exactly how the market functions. This is about how to buy or sell NASDAQ 100 stock index in 2016 like a poll. I have also mentioned before that we must pay attention to the market leaders of the NASDAQ 100, Google stock, Apple stock, all right? How we use the trading triangle, the market first, then the sector, before the individual financial instrument, the heart of the trading triangle, the market, the sector, and the fundamentals. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to buy or sell NASDAQ 100 stock index in 2016 like a pro, part 2. Speak to you soon. Happy trading to you all.